Welcome aboard the stunning Disney Destiny. My name is Taylor, and today we'll be exploring a concierge 2-story royal suite with veranda and covering everything you need to know to prepare for your next cruise. Before booking, be sure to contact the Vacationeer for bonus onboard credit on top of what Disney offers, in addition to exclusive rates, group cruises, and more. Reach out today to see what you're missing and secure the best value in cruising. Now, without further ado, let's dive right in and tour the room. When you book a suite on board the Disney Destiny, it goes far beyond the room and it elevates your cruise into a seamless, high-end experience defined by priority access and personalized service. Your journey begins long before you set sail with pre-arrival concierge assistance, which includes help from your Vacationeer agent. An early booking window for port adventures is great for securing first dibs on those cabanas at both private islands and complimentary enhanced Wi-Fi to keep you connected throughout the voyage. Once at the port, you'll enjoy priority boarding, followed by an exclusive welcome aboard lunch, which goes a long way on boarding day. Then throughout the sailing, a team of dedicated concierge hosts are available to handle every detail, from prioritizing spa treatments to securing adult exclusive dining, and may even facilitate exclusive character greetings or priority disembarkation. Beyond the suite, you'll have access to 2 amazing spaces that I love, starting with the private concierge lounge, which offers complimentary snacks throughout the day and non-alcoholic drinks, as well as nightly alcoholic beverages. You'll also have exclusive access to a private sun deck featuring a whirlpool, shaded seating, and some other great touches like a fully stocked fridge, complimentary sunscreen, and even special frozen treats. These private areas, along with the plush robes, the slippers, expanded room service menu featuring main dining favorites, ensure that your private sanctuary inside the suite is as indulgent as the rest of the ship. The suite categories on board the Disney Destiny are nothing short of extraordinary. This suite is a 1,507 square foot masterpiece that blends high-end residential comfort with Disney's legendary storytelling. And unlike the standard staterooms, the royal suites on the Destiny come in 2 specific themes. The Hero Suite, which we're going to tour today, inspired by Hercules with Greco-Roman elegance, and the IncrediSuite, a sleek mid-century modern tribute to the Incredibles. If you want to see what the IncrediSuite decor looks like, you can check out our 1-story royal suite that we have on the channel. As we begin our tour at the suite's entrance, you'll find the first storage for the suite. It features 2 tall hanging storage areas, as well as a central bank of storage drawers for smaller essentials like lanyards, sunglasses, or sunscreen. This is a great place to store those before you head out and enjoy the rest of the ship. A rare luxury in any suite or stateroom is to have 3 full bathrooms. This suite does have that, with 2 on the first floor and 1 on the second. The first bathroom is going to be right next to the entry. This is great for guests or anybody staying in the living room area as a sleeping area. Inside, you'll find a large walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head and adjustable shower wand, a small vanity with a backlit mirror, some drawers to tuck things away, as well as those upgraded Bulgari bath amenities. Next up is the kitchen and pantry area. This is a coffee and tea lover's dream, and it's fully stocked with a premium espresso machine, which is my favorite, a tea kettle accompanied by assortment of specialty teas, a Sub-Zero wine cooler and a refrigerator stocked with sodas and waters, and a dedicated freezer drawer where you'll find a stash of Mickey premium ice cream bars waiting for you. The dining salon seats 6 guests comfortably under an architectural height of the 2nd story. This gives you amazing views out that soaring 2-story glass wall with motorized curtains. The living room also features a comfortable seating area, as well as a queen-size convertible sofa that can be used for additional bedding for passengers staying in the suite. And I love how the dining room and this living area are combined right up against those windows, so you can take advantage of those forward-facing views. And I think at the end of the day, it's hard for me to choose which view I like more, these forward-facing views off of the 2-story or the aft-facing views off of the 1-story royal suite. We also have that video on our channel if you want to check it out. Mounted to the wall in the living room, you'll also find the first of the 3 flat panel TVs, which features a wide variety of free on-demand content, including Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars movies. As we step into the first bedroom, you'll find it's equipped with a king-size bed topped with a premium plush Eurotop mattress with Frette 1,000 thread count linens. This sits on an elevated wooden frame with tons of room to tuck your bags or large items away down below. One side of the bed has a small side table with a Euro plug, USB and USB-C ports built in for charging. The opposite side has 1 US plug, a USB and USB-C port, as well as a wireless charging pad to charge your phone or other wireless devices, and the same side table to tuck small items away. In front of the bed, you'll find the second large flat panel TV, and having the bedroom and living spaces separate is a great option for families, as you can have someone taking a nap in either space, downstairs or upstairs, and still have the rest of the room to utilize, especially with the 3 full bathrooms. Next to the bed, you'll also find a small vanity that has a backlit mirror, a magnifying mirror, a small drawer down below where you'll find the complimentary hairdryer, as well as some outlets, Euro, US, USB, and USB-C plugs. Heading into the walk-through closet, you'll find a floor-to-ceiling mirror, 2 areas for full-length storage. One will house those comfy bathrobes and slippers, as well as a storage area that has a space for a bag to unload into the drawers down below. As we head into the second bathroom, you'll find a large double vanity with 2 large backlit mirrors and tons of storage to tuck your items away. You'll find those same Bulgari bath amenities and a large walk-in shower, the rainfall shower head, adjustable shower wand, and a large bench to enjoy and soak or for shaving. Heading up the stairs to the second story of the suite, we'll find the second bedroom. This bedroom, in my opinion, has the best views in the suite because it has an unobstructed view out the front of the ship. It has the same king-size bed with those upgraded linens, bedding, and pillow menu. On both sides, you'll have side tables, plugs for charging, and a small desk that's right next to the window. There's extra drawers down below to store items away, and you'll find the third flat panel television. Similar to the bedroom down below, you have a walk-through closet that has tons of hanging storage and space to tuck items away. And now it's time for my favorite part of the whole suite, and that is the second story bathroom. Take a look at those views. In all the suites that I've toured on many different cruise lines, this is probably my favorite. Floor to ceiling windows frame the horizon. Wherever you're sailing throughout the world, you can enjoy the views from either the large soaking tub or the large walk-in shower. There's also a double vanity which is well placed in the corner away from the windows. And I know it's a small detail, but having the vanity placed here in the corner has a nice flattering light that comes in from the side from the windows and reserves that amazing view for if you're in the soaking tub or the large walk-in shower. Now with those large floor-to-ceiling windows, I know what you're thinking, and don't worry, Disney's thought about it too. This bathroom also features privacy glass, so no matter where you are, you can either turn it on or enjoy those amazing views. Stepping outside to the large forward-facing veranda, you'll have a variety of seating areas to enjoy the stunning views. There are 2 oversized plush loungers, 2 reading chairs, a dining table set for 4, and your own private heated whirlpool tub built into the deck for soaking under the stars. Putting it all together, this suite is an incredible way to host friends, family, and enjoy all the amazing places that the Disney Destiny sails. And as we all know, the suite is just one part of the onboard experience. With a variety of included entertainment, specialty restaurants, and upgrades, there's something for everyone. And to help you get more from your cruise, the Vacationeer offers exclusive onboard credit deals that you won't find when booking directly with the cruise line. So contact the Vacationeer today to get the best value in cruising.